one of the best modifications to this car so far. It's legitimate now. Hi everyone. So today is the day of our car meet, our April car meet. We got AJ's Famous Hollywood Hot Dogs coming out, and all the works, you know, are normal. But before that, I'm going to do a quick oil change in the fit because you got to keep the daily running before I can get the wagon going, because got to get, you know, around somehow. But going to do the oil change in this really quick, give it a quick look over because we've been having some clutch issues, and then we'll be on to the car meet. Change all done. Now time for the car show, so I'm going to clean up really quick before the car meet, and then we'll get to it. It's car show time. Let's see if we can get this turned out a little bit better. That's better. And then there's my car. Alright, that is it for the car meet. It is all over. Everyone already headed out. It was an awesome turnout. Thank you guys so much for showing up. I went out there and made sure to try and get as much footage as I possibly could for you guys because I haven't been filming the past car meets. It's because I've been kind of running it back here in the office. But I was able to hand out a couple of my new business cards I got with my brand new logo that Miss Celine made for me, which is Sarah's sister. She's super awesome, definitely a great graphic designer. She's just starting out, but she did amazing work. Anyways, thank you so much to Sarah for giving me a quick shout out. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel without even knowing me yet. You guys are awesome. I hope to see you guys at the next car meet, and yeah, thanks for watching.